Alright, hello there, another YEEZY unboxing and quick thoughts. This time around we're gonna look at the latest 350 compact in the Panda colorway. Mine are here, let me grab them next to the chair. The box looks like this, 350 on the top. It is a smaller box, similar to the one that was with the 450s if you remember. On this side it says knit, and it has a pull out like the standard 350 box, and here are the shoes. All right, let me pull them out. One, second one, usual tissue paper in the box, nothing special there. Let me just check. Yeah, that's it, nothing else in the box. So box away. Alrighty, here is the shoe, the 350 compact Panda, and for comparison I have brought in my well-worn 350 static V2 with the pull tab here. As you can see, the shoe is dirty and quite worn. Now the main differences obviously is that this shoe has this ankle collar around here, which is quite thick, and then this shoe it's in a black color or almost very dark gray, but it looks black on the camera. My t-shirt is black on the sleeves, so you can compare the black to that. The knit on this is very nice. This shoe, as you can see, has this infinity lacing system, which I actually prefer, because this shoe as it is doesn't really need to be laced. The same is with the 350. So here is the 350 again with my with the standard lacing system with normal laces. Okay, to the compact now. So lacing, as we said, is the infinity ones, which I like. Second, I went again true to size, which is size 12 US or 46 2/3, which is a good size for me. And I will tell you immediately, just trying the shoes on, this is my first compact, it is a bit more comfortable than the 350 V2. And mainly this comes down to the toe box for me. The toe box is much more pinchier on this shoe than it is on this one. Here is softer with the compact, therefore I actually, with this shoe, I tried it around the house a little bit, and from the first impressions I believe I can wear this shoe without taking the insole out, because on my standard V2 I don't have an insole. As you can see, this shoe does not have an insole. I take it out because I am in between sizes, and these shoes, as we know, are a bit on the smaller size. I still go true to size and just take the insole out. For this one I believe I can rock it with the insole in, because I feel here not so constrained as I do on the V2 350. So that's a good point from this side. As for the design, it has all kind of design aspects here on the front, and also it has like a line or a stripe on the side, both sides. And then in the end it comes together to kind of stripy black and white heel part, and then going out to the heel collar, which we said is more on the black side. The shoe is reasonably light, and I think in this colorway is a fantastic shoe for the summer. If you have picked this shoe out on the recent rep, do let me know how do you like it. Have you tried to wear it outside already? I'm definitely making this my summer shoe, and I'm gonna put it in the rotation because I think it's gonna be a perfect shoe for the upcoming weather. And I'm gonna rock it together with my 350 static. So I'm gonna go between these two shoes mostly, and the slides for this summer. Unfortunately, I was not able to cap on the foam runners, which I don't have a pair yet, and I did not able to even in this drop pick up a pair. So unfortunately it is what it is. But I do have 2 pairs of slides, so I'll use those. But I was hoping for foam runners, but unfortunately was not to be. So If you did get the shoe, or you still looking maybe to get it on the secondary market, I can recommend it, as it is nice, and because it's low, it's gonna be nice for this upcoming weather. Also, it is more comfortable than your standard pair of V2 350s, because the toe box area is done differently, and there is more space here for your fingers, so they don't feel as pinched as they do in this shoe, because this shoe really tapers a lot in this section, and it just constrains your fingers, pushes them together, so it's quite a weird feeling. Yes, okay, fine, this material does give out a little bit, but if you wear them as I do without the insole, that could be one solution to make this shoe a little bit comfortable. There. That's it about this particular shoe. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm more than happy to give you an answer and my thoughts further down in the comment section. Thank you very much once again for watching my videos, and I wish you a wonderful upcoming weekend. Have a nice one, guys. Bye.